mention Aditi Singh because I'll play out for you what Aditi Singh actually said about the entire attitude towards elections. But Sabha, how would you respond to this? Is there a sort of stasis at the top? Not talking about who's contesting Amethi, Raebareli. Much has been made about how 3 CEC meetings were not attended by Mr. Gandhi. And it is trickling down to general despondency and chaos, hence the exodus.
So I don't think there's any doubt. उसका कोई doubt ही नहीं है कि वो हो रहा है. But I'll just put in, today the Congress has come out with I think it's a very nice manifesto, which raises issues of crony capitalism and it's a welfare, whatever. But it's pointless if your messaging is so faulty. You can bring out a manifesto which people who like your ideology will say, this is a very good manifesto, but where are you? There is a serious crisis. And since we're talking about Uchahar and all, my family village is in Uchahar. My great-grand-uncle was part of the freedom struggle. He was the first MLA from Raebareli before Feroz Gandhi went there. And it becomes a family bastion. But look at the way today that the Congress is behaving. There is no doubt. This is ridiculous. I can go tomorrow and stand as an independent from Wayanad. Even I might get some votes. The battle is, will I be willing, if I want to enter politics, go and fight where it counts. So to my view, it is shocking that we don't have clarity that the Congress leadership should go and fight from that bastion, which is tough, which is a tough place to fight, but the tough battles are the only ones worth fighting. And when you are seeing, look, it's not just this. Have you realized that Aam Aadmi Party announced its candidates for Delhi the day after the alliance was announced? कितने 3 हफ्ते हो गए? दिल्ली के 3?
Yes.
कितने 3 हफ्ते 4 हफ्ते? कांग्रेस ने अभी तक बताया नहीं. What is going
It's been a month and a half. They have started their campaign. They have printed the posters. I know because in Delhi, I actually saw in Sangam Vihar them walking around. I think Kuldeep Kumar is the candidate from there.
Yes,
He's already there on the ground. He's campaigning with posters. And today we are being told, according to sources, that Kanhaiya Kumar will be fielded. We still don't know. First he contested from Bihar. Bihar he wasn't given that ticket from Begusarai.
Do you want to feel Kanhaiya? Give him some time. He's a very good orator. He might polarize. He might get people whipped up. Do it. Give people time. You are fighting against the machinery. You're fighting against a charismatic prime minister. What is going on here? We are getting a beautifully written manifesto, according to me. You might disagree, but it is pointless when you will not fight in the area where it counts. And let me also say that for the SP also, it's very bad because SP is ultimately a state party. An alliance with the Congress this is a national election. So believe me, I have been checking because UP, I know the terrain, I cover it repeatedly. I've been calling up people in many areas which are SP voters. They said, अगर कांग्रेस दिखती तो हम वोट देते, लेकिन कांग्रेस तो दिख ही नहीं रही है. तो अभी तक तो बहुत बुरी स्थिति है. That same, I don't want to get into names of seats which were won by the opposition last time. Some of them because they're not present there so far. Now, and maybe in the end, they're going to pull out a great surprise and it reaches a ridiculous level. I know Kamruzaman has a very tough task to defend this and to say it's all about the rights of the people joined. It's not true. The family has to decide about Amethi and Raebareli. And we also know that there was a play when Mr. Varun Gandhi had suggested, or it was suggested in the political category, that he should perhaps contest. They don't want that either. So I don't know who they want either in the end. Now Robert Vadra का थोड़ा सा अजीब सी स्टोरी आ गई है बीच में. ये क्या है? तो deny it substantially because you want to then sink the Congress forever. Then you can allow Robert Vadra to make this. As it is, the Congress is in a very poor shape in UP, which is important, which is the original bastion. You have to show courage to fight any battle. So it is. I have to criticize it. I was told this about the manifesto, so I will defend the manifesto, and I think it's a good document. But the point is, I mean, I know Mr. Kamruzaman will now defend himself. What can he?
100%. And if you have a good manifesto, Kamruzaman Chaudhary